completely. A word of caution, you can put in a pretty generic prompt and get something that appears amazing at first glance. However, after diving into the AI output, you'll likely see the pitfalls. It's paramount that you give your AI tools really detailed prompts. The more detailed and specific you can be, the better. Here are some highly detailed example prompts you can type into an AI tool to help you generate more information about how you are distinctly qualified and the best writer. You can use a prompt like brainstorm 3 unique value props for a freelance writer specializing in technical writing. I also have a background in SEO and editing, which gives my technical writing a whole new layer of benefits compared to someone else who is just a technical writer. I've also worked within 10 different industries, so I have flexibility that others do not. This is an example of what you can type in to an AI tool. To help you craft the first sentences of your cold pitch, you can use an AI prompt such as suggest 5 compelling cold pitch hooks to a startup medical software company. The hooks should avoid being too creative and emphasize the near immediate benefits of using my services. For reference, my services are digital copywriting and direct response copywriting. I also have a background in SEO. Give me some options in the form of statements and questions. To come up with a benefit statement, you can use a prompt like, give me 5 ways to talk about how consistent SEO content writing can benefit a local ice cream business. This local business has minimal online presence and gets a majority of their traffic from local in-person customers. However, this ice cream shop has noticed a sharp decline in traffic, so they want to leverage new avenues to attract clients. Give example project ideas that might resonate with this business. Now, to figure out some possible pain points, you could use a prompt such as, what are the biggest challenges that solopreneur coaches are facing today? Think specifically about the challenges they are facing in regards to getting more online traffic to their website. Think about how they probably want to have a steady influx of clients, but they are already burned out hustling to attract clients, not to mention still handling their existing clients. To figure out potential desired outcomes and goals that potential clients might have, you could ask AI something like, what might an online nutrition coach want to get from their SEO strategy? What outcomes are they looking for, especially knowing that they only have a 3-person team and limited time to create their own SEO content? Evaluate outcomes like monetary gain, brand recognition, and more. So as you can see, these prompts are still very specific and they are filled with additional details. You still have to maintain some understanding of your target client before you start using these AI tools. For the best outputs, make sure to be as detailed in your prompts as possible. AI generated outputs are a starting point for you in your cold pitching journey. It's essential to critically evaluate these suggestions and ensure that they align with your goals and your services and the needs that your prospects are facing.